In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your document for book formatting with ease. First, let's ensure your page size is correct. Head over to the File menu, then select Page Setup. It's important to choose the right trim size for your needs. A popular choice for publishing is 6 by 9 inches, but feel free to adjust this according to your specific requirements. This significant first step sets the foundation for your project, so take your time to select the size that best suits your vision. Now onto adjusting margins. The standard book margins are typically 1 inch on all sides, providing a balanced and traditional layout. However, for an added touch of professionalism, consider setting the top and bottom margins between 0.75 and 1 inch. The inside margin should remain at 1 inch, while the outside can be 0.75 inches. These adjustments can give your book a crisp, clean look that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Selecting the right font is crucial for readability and style. For your body text, you can't go wrong with fonts like Times New Roman, Garamond, or Georgia. Stick with a font size between 11 and 12 points. This ensures readability without feeling too cramped or overwhelming. For chapter titles, you can express a bit more flair. Opt for a size between 16 and 18 points. Bold and centered on the page. This not only creates a visual hierarchy in your document, but also draws the reader's attention to the key parts of your text. When adding chapters, use the heading formats available, particularly H1 and H2, to highlight your chapter titles. This has the added benefit of helping you auto-generate a table of contents later, making navigation through your book a breeze. Next, let's talk about line spacing and paragraphs. A line spacing between 1.15 and 1.5 can make all the difference, offering a comfortable reading experience. It's also a good idea to indent the first line of each paragraph. To do this, navigate to Format, then align and indent, followed by indentation options, and set the first line, ensuring your text style mirrors traditional book layouts. Page numbers are a small but essential element in your book. Go to the Insert menu, then select Page Numbers, choosing whether to place them in either the header or the footer of your pages. If your first page is a title page, consider skipping page numbers there for a cleaner look. If you'd like to add a table of contents, simply go to Insert and select Table of Contents. The headings you've applied will populate this automatically, providing a well-organized reference for your readers. Finally, once you're satisfied with your book's layout, it's time to export it for publishing. Go to File, select Download, and choose PDF document as your format. PDFs are widely accepted for digital and print publishing, making them an ideal choice. With these steps, you've crafted a professional-looking book ready for publishing or personal use.